Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about the Qatar Airline baggage allowance. So let's get started. So when it comes to the baggage allowance policy for the cabin and the check-in baggage, so when it comes to the economy light, the classic, the convenience, and the comfort passengers, one cabin bag up to 7 kilograms with a dimension of 50 by 37 by 25 centimeters, except for Brazil flights where it's 10 kilograms. Passengers are allowed one cabin bag up to 7 kilograms with a dimension of 50 by 37 by 25 centimeters, except for Brazil flights where it's 10 kilograms. And when it comes to the business and first class passengers, two cabin bag with a total of 15 kilograms with a dimension of 50 by 37 by 25 each, plus one personal item such as the handbag, an umbrella, or etc. And some check-in baggage allowance could be depending on the cabin bag class and the route. So basically for the US/the Canada flights, economy class can have two bags of 23 kilograms, and the business and the first class can have two bags of 32 kilograms. But for the other destination, economy light could have 20 kilograms, and the economy class could have 25 kilograms, and the economy comfort could have 35 kilograms, and the business one can have 40 kilograms, and the first class can have 50 kilograms. And when it comes to the check-in bag size limits, 158 centimeters liner for the US, the Canada flights, and 300 centimeters liner for other flights. And when it comes to the infants, one checked-in bag up to 32 kilograms for the US and Canada flights, and 10 kilograms for other flights. And when it comes to the special items in the baggage, such as the sporting equipment, are free, and the musical instrument can be carried in a cabin if it's less than 75 kilograms and less than 120 centimeters length. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.